Bad news.
Oh, god damn it, now what?
You have to redo the whole schedule.
Why? 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 I don't understand. Why? What is wrong with the schedule?
We have to work it to where longer hours and then shorter shifts. It's gonna have to alternate.
Longer hours, shorter shifts. That just makes no fucking sense. Please explain that to me.
Okay.
Longer hours,
Like your
shorter
shift,
shifts.
like your shift right now, the 10 to 9. So some people are going to be doing a 10 to 9.
So that's longer hours.
Mm-hmm.
How the hell is that a shorter shift?
No, because then there's going to be short shifts too. The 5 to 9.
Why? Why? I don't understand. Why do we have to do that? Look, let me show you. I can fucking figure this shit out right now. I can figure all this shit out. God damn it, Kim. She told you that?
I swear to God.
Look at this.
We have to fix it to where we have it to where like
I'm just gonna show you how I can
some
fix
people
this.
can leave at 8, but some people have to come in at 10, and we're gonna have to alternate it back and forth.
Okay, I just want to show you that I can make this work. Okay, 32. And this is Saturday, so we can have more people work Saturday.
No triple shift.
No, it's a fucking weekend. God. God, I don't want to do this schedule anymore. I don't want to do this. I want to go home. I want to go home. Cry. I don't want to do this schedule.